Today I am going to explain a new topic, derivation of equations of uniformly accelerated motion from graphical method. Consider an object moving with uniform acceleration a along a straight line linear path. Object's initial velocity is u, final velocity v, acceleration a, and displacement s in time t. This is the velocity time graph for uniformly accelerated motion. This is the straight line graph. Here OA is equal to ED, its value is u. Here OE is equal to AD is equal to T. The value of EB, this is EB, is equal to OC. OC is equal to V. The value of dB is equal to EB minus ED. So EB is equal to V and the value of ED is equal to U. So V minus U is equal to dB. Now first equation of motion. First equation of motion. Acceleration A is equal to slope of velocity time graph AB. The slope is, we know that slope is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is dB upon base is AD. And we know that dB is equal to EB minus ED. EB minus ED upon AD. The value of dB, V minus U. EB minus ED is equal to V minus U. V minus U, and the value of AD is equal to T. Substitute this value. So the acceleration A is equal to V minus U upon T. So the first equation of motion is V minus U is equal to AT. So V is equal to U plus AT. Here V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is uniform acceleration, and T is time. Now second equation of motion. Displacement S is equal to area of trapezium OABE. OABE. It is equal to the area of rectangle OADE plus area of triangle. The triangle is ABD. So area of rectangle is equal to width into length. Here width is OE and length is ED. So we can write OE into ED plus area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. So here base is AD and height is DB. AD into DB. The value of OE is equal to T t, the value of ed is equal to, ed is u, plus 1 by 2, the value of AD is equal to T, and the value of dB is equal to, from this equation dB is equal to V minus U. Put this value V minus U. So S is equal to UT plus 1 by 2 T V minus U. From the equation we know that A is equal to V minus U upon T. So V minus U is equal to AT. Put this value in this equation, you will get S is equal to UT plus 1 by 2 T. Substitute this value V minus U, it is AT. So that this is the second equation of motion for uniform accelerated motion. S is equal to UT plus 1 by 2 AT square. S is the displacement, U is the initial velocity, T is time, A is uniform acceleration. Now, third equation of motion. Displacement S is equal to area of trapezium OABE. OABE. It is equal to, S is equal to 1 by 2. Area of trapezium is equal to sum of parallel sides. Parallel sides are OA and EB plus EB into perpendicular distance between parallel sides is AD. Substitute the values. The value of OA is equal to U. The value of EB, it is V, and the value of AD is equal to T. Now from the equation we know that A is equal to V minus U upon T. Substitute this value here, we will get S is equal to 1 by 2 U plus V. Here T is equal to V minus U upon A. So the value of T, substitute in this equation, we will get V minus U upon A. So it is S is equal to V square minus U square upon 2A. So V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. This is the third equation of motion. V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is uniform acceleration, and S is displacement. Thank you.